In a year or two, every ad you see will be AI generated. If you're selling a product, you should check this out. Here is how you can generate hundreds of ads even while you sleep.
Discoloration fast. Grab yours and start glowing.
This is Icon, an AI tool that does the research around your product, generate the script, generate the voices, find the music, find the video clips, and allows you to edit the content.
Water and Avi are already using us to get winning ads.
Think of Icon as your chief marketing officer for $19 per month. You can create ads by selecting video clips from your library or by finding and cloning popular ads in your industry. You can hyper-tailor these ads to your audience, and you can generate as many as you want.
Timing that transforms these beans into something extraordinary. Most coffee companies stop at the first crack, but we push further, unlocking deeper flavors without burning. The result? A bold, smooth, dark roast that delivers intense flavor and clean energy. We're completely transparent about our process because when you're crafting the world's strongest coffee, there's nothing to hide. Try it yourself and experience what real craft coffee tastes like.
Here's a video explaining how it works.
Which ad cost $100 and which one was AI generated for just $1? If you guessed both were AI generated for $1, you're right. But did you notice that I'm AI generated too? Hi, I'm Kenan, founder of Icon, and we're the first AI CMO. For just $19 a month, we plan, create, and run thousands of winning ads for you end to end. ChatGPT solved creating images with AI. Now we're solving the pain of planning and running ads that actually win. Here's how it works. Let's say you're a mushroom gummy company that wants to launch 100 ads every day. Tell Icon this, and it'll make 100 ads for you to review at 10 a.m. every morning. Icon analyzes millions of data points to create these 100 ads, breaking them into 3 types. The first 20 are clones of winning competitor ads. The next 50 are net new concepts from deep audience research. The last 30 are iterations on your winning ads. Let's start with competitor ad cloning. Say Mudwater is our mushroom gummy's top competitor. Icon knows this and finds this Mudwater ad has been running for longer than 30 days. This means it's winning. To recreate this ad, Icon looks at the angle of the ad. Here it's about the benefits you get at 30, 60, and 90 days. It understands that the product on the left is a picture of the mushroom coffee, and it also understands the benefits in every section. On a design level, Icon understands typography, sizing, and layout. Icon will now extract your product details from your website and write copy that aligns with the angle. It understands that the ad should have a green background and a large headline. Icon will make 30 ads like this every day for you to review. Now let's see how Icon generates completely new winning ad concepts. Icon notices 387 threads on Reddit r/running, where long-distance runners are complaining about caffeine crashes during marathon training. It looks at your website copy highlighting sustained energy without jitters, and pulls quotes from your 5-star reviews mentioning improved endurance while running. Icon combines these two to create an ad targeting marathon runners with your exact brand colors and typography. The headline reads, "Run Forest Run," speaking directly to the pain point Icon found on Reddit. As your ads run, Icon doesn't just sit back and watch. It identifies which ads are winning and generates iterations to scale these ads 10 times further. In addition to making you ads, Icon can take them live with just one click. If you find yourself approving everything, you can enable autopilot to let Icon do the work 24/7. Before this, you could launch 10 ads per week. Now you can launch 100 ads per week and get more winners. Typically, every ad costs $200. With Icon, it's less than $1. Icon also replaces $2 to $30K per month in software costs for just $19 per month by combining 10 products into one. $100 million brands like Ridge, Mudwater, and Avi are already using us to get winning ads. Icon is backed by Peter Thiel's Founders Fund and execs of frontier AI labs like OpenAI, Cognition, and Pika. As part of our launch, we're giving away a Google Drive with 2,000 winning ads from top brands. 1,000 are winning static ads, and 1,000 are winning video ads. Ads in this Google Drive have driven $1.3 billion in revenue. The right person can make $100,000 by just copying them. Retweet and comment Icon below, and I'll send you the Google Drive with all the ads.
That sounds great, I guess. So follow the link in the description below and start generating your ads.